After five unforgettable seasons, the bear has finally served its last meal. But the ending is not just about who stay or who leave, it's about breaking a cycle that he haunted Carmi since the very first episode. Did the restaurant survive? Why did Grammy walk away just as success finally arrived? And what does that final text message, all good, really means? Let's break down every major moment from the Beer Season 5 emotional ending. Season 5 being immediately after Grammy's shocking decision to leave the restaurant world behind. Meanwhile, the beer is hanging by a thread. The restaurant is struggling financially, staff morale is low, and one terrible day could destroy everything. Then disaster strike, a powerful storm, combined with a reservation system glitch, caused one of the busiest night in the restaurant history. Hundreds of customers, limited ingredients, and enormous pressure. Everyone believed this could be the final service, but instead it becomes the night that changed everyone's future. The final dinner service. The final dinner service is absolutely chaos. Tables are overbooked, food starts running low. Every member of the kitchen is pushed beyond their limits instead of panicking. Sydney stepped up as the true leader. Unlike Grammy, she stayed calm, she trusts her team, she communicates clearly, and for the first time, the kitchen feels united instead of controlled. Even Richie, who once argued with everyone, becomes the perfect form of house leader. Every mistake, every argument, and every failure from previous season prepared them for the one night the beer finally works. Not because one Jenny's chef is crying everyone, but because the entire family works together. Why Grammy leaves? This is the biggest question fans are asking. Why would Grammy leave? Right before achieving everything he dreamed of? The answer is surprisingly simple. For years, Grammy believed perfection would heal him. If he built the perfect restaurant on Michael Star and becomes the greatest chef, maybe he'd finally find peace. But he never did. Instead, the pressure only grew. By the finally, Grammy finally realized something: cooking is not the problem. His obsession with perfection is. He understands that staying would only repeat the same painful cycle. So instead of chasing another impossible goal, he chose something he never chose before: his own happiness. That's why he left the kitchen behind and began a completely different chapter of his life through an architecture internship. It's not failure, it's freedom. The McLean star twist, then comes the biggest surprise. After everything the beer earned to Michael Starr, ironically, the dream becomes reality. Only after Grammy decide to let it go. The message is powerful. Success does not come from destroying yourself. It comes from building something bigger than yourself. The restaurant finally succeed because everyone contribution. Not just Grammy, Sydney, Richie, Marcus, Tina, and the rest of the team all become essential part of that success. What happens to everyone? Sydney officially become the restaurant leader, proving she more the lead to carry. The year into the next chapter, Richie overcomes one of the biggest fear, accepting an invitation to a hospitality seminar in Japan with hint of a new relationship as well. Marcus continued developing his district while Tina becomes chef de cuisine. Ibrahim expanded the beef into new ghost kitchen location, showing that even the restaurant humble beginning continued to live on. Instead of giving every character a perfect ending, the show gives them something better, a future. The final skin may look simple, but it's one of the most emotional moments in the entire series. Grammy sits alone, thinking about everything he began through. Then he opened the old text conversation with his late brother, Mickey, for years. Those messages represented his guilty, his grief, and the life he could not change. Finally, he sent just two words, all good. He not texting because he expect a reply. He finally telling himself it's okay to move on. For the first time since the series began, Grammy is not trapped by the past. He finally free. So, did the beer have a happy ending? No, exactly. It had something even more meaningful. and ending about healing, about family, and about realizing that success means nothing if it cost your peace. After 5 incredible seasons, the beer did not end with one final meal, it ended with hope. What do you think about Grammy decision? Should he have stayed at the restaurant or was leaving the perfect ending? Let me know your thought in the comment. And if you enjoy this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.